Hi, this is Antara, expert nutrition coach from Truweight. Have you ever experienced weight fluctuation? Weight fluctuation is a scenario of all of us might have faced. This is nothing but water content in our body changes every day. If your weight scale shows 2 kilo extra, you have likely gained weight because of water retention and haven't actually gained fat. Some of the causes of water retention are high sodium meal, a heavy workout, dehydration or hormonal changes. If you are carrying extra water, it will flush naturally after a day or two. Dietary strategies and exercises may help you to lose it faster. It is important to note that too much of water retention can cause problems like bloating, swollen legs, stiff joints and puffiness in your face and hips. So therefore, it should be taken care of. Using these 5 simple ways, you can actually reduce your water retention in the body. So eat less salt, increase your magnesium intake, increase your potassium rich food, increase your vitamin 6 intake and reduce your refined carbohydrate rich foods which can affect your water retention. So water weight in our body needs to be flushed out from the body in order to reduce the weight and make us feel less bloated. This can be achieved with the help of certain foods like diuretics. Diuretics are known to reduce hypertension as well as flushing out the sodiums and also getting rid of the harmful toxins through the urine. So these 5 diuretics you can include in your diet on a daily basis. One is cucumber, then cranberry, watermelon, lemon, celeries and coconut water, which would be very much helpful. Water retention is one of the factors linked to weight loss and weight gain. So getting rid of it will have a positive impact on your weight loss journey. So drink more water and stay healthy.